Namaste, awesome students. I'm Asmi.
And I'm Amelia. Asmi, थोड़ा left हो जाओ. You're taking up all the camera space.
क्या हो गया?
अरे,
Ow.
have you gained mass? When I used to push you like this before, you'd go flying off.
No, I've just gained inertia.
Oh, you guys must be wondering what inertia is.
तो चलो, आज हम चलेंगे इनर्शिया के मैजिकल दुनिया में. वो टेंडेंसी जो इतनी आलसी है कि तुम्हारा सबसे आलसी दोस्त भी इंटिमिडेट हो जाए.
What? Anyways, inertia in layman's terms is the universe's way of saying, change, nah, I'm good here. It's what makes your bed seem even cozier in the morning.
इनर्शिया वो है जैसे तुम बेड से सुबह उठे नहीं और मॉम बोले उठो. ये वो फीलिंग है जो कहती है नहीं मम्मा 5 मिनट और सोने दो. When a body wants to stay at rest, no matter what happens around it.
You can think of inertia of rest as the I'll start exercising tomorrow mentality, and inertia of motion as the I'll stop eating chips every day tomorrow mentality.
Since I've got such an amazing audience with me right now, I shall present one of my top secret experiments.
Ah, yes, let's see it.
तो अमीलिया, तुम्हें क्या लगता है मैं इस बाल्टी के साथ क्या करने वाली हूँ?
नहाओगे क्या तुम?
नहीं. तो दोस्तों, मेरे पास है यहाँ पे एक बाल्टी जिसको मैंने रस्सी से स्टैंड पे बांधा हुआ है. इस बाल्टी में है कुछ लकड़ी के टुकड़े.
Why do you have this thread with you?
अमीलिया, क्या आप इस धागे को इस मेटल लूप में बांध सकते हो?
Of course, sure.
तो यहाँ पे अमीलिया इस धागे को इस लूप में बाल्टी के नीचे बांध रही है.
I don't know why you're making me do so much work. How is this going to help us at all?
It's magic. अच्छा अमीलिया, आपको क्या लगता है अगर मैं ये धागा खींचती हूँ तो क्या होगा?
Obviously, the whole thing is going to fall off.
Let me pull the thread now.
What was that?
Why do you think that happened?
I have no clue.
देखिए, जब मैंने इस धागे को नीचे खींचा तो सिर्फ धागा मोशन में आया. ये बाल्टी उसके इनर्शिया की वजह से फोर्स को ऊपर नहीं जाने दिया. इसकी वजह से सिर्फ नीचे वाला धागा टूटा.
Ah, okay. And now if you pull it slowly, what do you think is going to happen?
Well, I think we should try that out. Amelia, can you try to pull the thread slowly now?
Okay.
What do you think is going to happen?
I don't think there's any difference. It's probably going to snap like before. But okay.
Oh, you will see.
What was the reason for that? How did it just snap from the top?
When you pull the thread slowly, the entire body came in motion, and so the thread on top snapped.
Oh, that makes sense. Acha, since you're showing off your smarty skills, let me show mine. Asmi, you see that apple and the ruler over there?
Yeah.
Just take it. No, stop. The apple isn't for eating.
What
We're
do
gonna
you
try a science experiment with it.
Okay.
Poke the apple with it. Poke the apple with the ruler, please.
All right.
Now, what do you think is going to happen when you shake the ruler?
Well, my smart brain says that the apple will fall. ये obvious नहीं है क्या?
Let's test your smart brain. Try it out.
Wait. I guess my brain's not that smart.
Took you long enough.
Nonetheless, ये हुआ कैसे? It seemed like gravity went out for a walk when I shook the ruler.
When you shake the ruler, you're applying force only on that one object, not on the apple. So the apple remains in rest while the ruler is in motion. In this case, the apple is the lazy one.
Ah, can I guess what type of inertia this is?
Go ahead.
I think it's inertia of rest. क्योंकि जब मैंने स्केल को नीचे घुसाया तो एप्पल वहीं रही जबकि स्केल नीचे गया. Am I right?
Yes, you are.
Okay. अच्छा अमीलिया, now my time to shine. एक शर्त लगाओगी?
हाँ हाँ बताओ.
वो बॉटल और कपड़ा देख रही हो?
Hmm?
उससे एक मैजिक एक्सपेरिमेंट करेंगे.
Okay. I don't get what you're trying to do with this.
Oh well, you will see. अमीलिया, अगर मैं ये कपड़ा बॉटल के नीचे से बॉटल को बिना गिराए निकाल लेती हूँ तो?
Impossible. ये तो बस magicians ही कर सकते हैं. If you're able to do this now, then I'll give you the pizza from my lunch.
ये हुई ना बात. 3, 2, 1.
What?
See, I told you.
No. How did that even happen?
Just like in the previous example, जब मैंने कपड़े पे फोर्स लगाया तो सिर्फ कपड़ा नीचे गिरा, जबकि बॉटल रेस्ट पे रहना चाहती थी. This is the rest of inertia of the bottle. Did you get it now?
I got it. Okay then, let me show you a magic trick.
Sure.
Guys, this isn't a normal hat, okay? This isn't a crown. This is an inertia hat.
Inertia hat?
I'm gonna balance this on my head now. What do you think is going to happen when I roll around?
It's gonna roll around with you.
Let's try it out.
ये क्या घूमर घूमर कर रहे हो? एक second. It didn't move with you. How is that possible?
When I roll around, I'm applying force only on myself, not on the hat on top of me. So the hat remains in rest while I turn around and remain in motion. What type of
Oh.
inertia do you think this is?
Inertia of rest?
Finally, something you know. Or is that too mean?
Moving on, let us present to you our final demonstration.
You guys remember the match? The match that shattered our dreams and hopes?
मैं तो मैच देखने के बाद कुछ दिन सो भी नहीं पाई थी. All I could think of was yellow and blue.
How the yellows overpowered the blues.
You know, Amelia, I still feel like it was all because of the boundaries Australia hit.
When I was watching the match, all I kept wishing for was for the ball to just stop rolling on the ground.
It can't because of inertia. Look at this video.
But oh well, I guess we've got to move on.
Do you know why this happened, Amelia? Why the ball kept on rolling until it hit the boundary?
It's because the ball was following the first law of motion, that is, the law of inertia. Unless you apply an opposing force on the ball, it's going to keep rolling.
That was interesting to know, but I wish we could have a rematch.
I wish we could have a rematch of the bet that we made. But oh well, I guess we've got to move on from that.
क्योंकि सच्चाई ये है कि अपने कंफर्ट जोन में रहना वैसा ही है जैसे हर दिन पिज्जा का सेम फ्लेवर खाना, जबकि दुनिया में और भी फ्लेवर्स अवेलेबल है. चेंज को अपना लो, ये है तुम्हारे ऑसम एडवेंचर्स के लिए रॉकेट फ्यूल.
Like a rocket breaking free from Earth's gravity, we all have the potential to soar and reach new heights by overcoming the lazy pull of inertia.
बस Amelia, that didn't end so well. How about a quick physics joke?
Go ahead.
Amelia, फिजिक्स वाले कभी राज क्यों नहीं कहते?
Because you don't have any?
नहीं, क्योंकि अगर वो एक बार शुरू हो जाते हैं, they don't stop due to the law of inertia.
If you guys understood that joke, it means we've done our part.
And that was all about
inertia, the super lazy tendency. Thank you.